Will you date someone who is disabled?
Hayi bafethu uyabona mina bafethu everin mina mangicabanga ogele mina ngicabanga uzi yabo ngicabanga
Uzinquma.
so bafethu man so like my dream girl, you know, is it's I just don't have visions of somebody who is disabled.
Understand? Because like ba hate you
Mara bana ba disabled. Sorry to say this.
na kina experience
Ke difebe.
no
Ke difebe.
no but then no
Disabled
like
hands are seeking for love so badly.
but then libo one like
But behind the scenes-
No man, they're overdoing
behind the
it.
scenes-
But that is
Porisa, Kabza, next up. Akina macho. Ke kopa teki. Hayi bye. Hayi wambekela.
betsa magumba
Welcome back to Unmuted Chaos episode 2. I'm feeling a bit scared, man. So, Bengala, maybe please start with a prayer. Is it fine, Nations?
Yeah, no, I'm not
Yeah, I'll pray.
ish
Maybe please. You don't have to take out your head, but it's
but
fine.
then
Okay. Maybe please close our eyes and bow our heads. Jesu konya na ntate modimo wena o matla re qale ka o leboa letsatsi la kajeno hore tsosa lore re mona re kopa ba le rona o re hlonenefatse re fe matla ene re kopa podcast ena e tsamaye hantle morena ka lebitso la hao amen. Yeah. Cho kwenye nenye bafetula mfano Makers Adams aka Short Staff mfano unganazandlo enza izinto zenzeka ngithi uye ngithanda abangithandayo ngithanda abangizondayo cause asikho isikhathi sokugqwalisa inhliziyo ngezinto ezimbi. And yeah man, welcome to Unmuted Chaos podcast episode 2. Yes sir. Hands. Yeah. I'm not alone, man. I'm never alone. I'm here with
you here with Giovanni
Giovanni as you heard, and
Xavier Fitu Kikalushi. Yeah.
the one and only 101 DJ 101.
yeah man, as you all know that this podcast is about disability and educating people. So I'd like to start with our guest, DJ Jepa 101. Please tell us about yourself. What do you sell, your disability, and yeah.
Okay, I'll start by correcting you there. So I don't go by the phrase DJ, right? I believe that I'm more than a DJ, right? I aspire to become an artist. But yeah, my stage name is Jepa 101. Yeah, I am a versatile DJ. I play amapiano sets. You know, I do deep house, soft house, 3-step, you know, so it's safe to say that I'm a versatile DJ. And yeah, you might be wondering where the stage name comes from. Yeah, Jepa 101 essentially meant Jepa. So this is how I walk. When I walk, you know, there's a short lane.
That name comes from a scale, and because of the way you walk and
So yeah, man, that is essentially what my name is, Young Tol. And yeah, what is it to add? I've been DJing for about I would say approximately 8 to 7 years. So I mean, I've been working on my craft, you know, and you know, as an artist, man, you are always learning. You know, there's no limit to learning. You know, you can always absorb information right from other artists, you know. So yeah, man, yeah, the industry, you know, it's my goal essentially, you know, is just to, I'm not really chasing fame, right, but rather I want to work, you know, to build a sustaining business, right, within the music industry. So yeah, this is who Jepa 101 is essentially.
Welcome, Jepa to Unmuted. And do you want to tell us about the disability, or you are fine because you included it on the first episode?
Xavier Fitu. Hence I said like last episode, if you didn't go watch it now. As I said, my disability, cerebral palsy, you know, it differs to many people. Many people have cerebral palsy because it mostly comes from the nerves, mostly from the brain. So some things, if your brain is short a screw, it affects the nerves depending on your body. Yeah, well, for me, for instance, it affects my legs, but mostly on my left side and not on my right side. It's more light on my right side. But you know, it's getting better. I was much worse, but thank you to my previous school, I got much better. Yeah.
Shout out. Giovanni, do you want to tell us what do you sell? Who are you? Where do you come from? And yeah.
Well, hola, gents. Hello, guys. Hola. My gents.
My sweet.
Yeah, I go by the name Giovanni Kamoelo Msupa. I'm originally like from Klerksdorp. It's a small town, but then yeah, Klerksdorp, Jobetini, Extension 1. That's where I grew up. Yeah, but then yeah, I'm a student and Brenda Misida of Captain Injayami, the owner of Captain.
If you don't know, Captain is my clothing brand. Captain is my clothing brand.
Yeah. I'm the brand ambassador. Currently, I'm a student in Vuselela College, TVET College, in Potchefstroom. As you guys like, literally something at Potchefstroom. Yeah, it's a very nice place. Yeah.
That's where you find Boma Moy River,
Botlapfika, CSA, Sidewalk, or like it's basically a nice place, guys.
Nah, personally, I've never been, but yeah, I've only heard good things about Potchefstroom.
Okay, guys. Let's start by educating people about disability. So
yeah, most definitely.
Let's maybe omunye akhulume one disability and explain it ukuthi yini yenzani nakanjani.
Should I go ahead?
Yeah, you can start.
So okay, Mina, I'll speak personally, right, with regards to my disability. So Mina, what my condition rather is called spinal bifida. You know, I'm not sure if it is a disability that one could adopt right over time, but from what I know, it's a disability that you are born with, right? You're born with it. It's a spinal disability. It affects the spine, and most of the time, you know, maybe I stand to be corrected, but a lot of people that I know that have this disability, you know, are people that are wheelchair bound, right? People that are
on wheelchairs.
Yes, people that are on wheelchairs. Some, you know, even paralyzed, right? So, yeah, like I have an operation, you know, at the back of my spine. You know, I was born like this. You know, so I don't have there's no recollection, right, of a point rather, where I would say, you know, I was normal. You know, my mom, you know, when I was, she told me that when I was born, right, I was paralyzed, so I had no mobility, right? You know, from my lower body, right? So, yeah, man, it was something that got operated on, and yeah, the rest is history. I'm standing here, and you know, I'm mobile.
DJ at the same time.
Yeah. Well, so, yeah, man. Essentially, for me, you know, I believe that a disability shouldn't be something that, you know, limits one.
Yeah.
You know, I feel like, well, from what I think, I believe that, you know, especially with me, right, I believe that my purpose rather is for me to actually, you know, is to actually show, right, to serve as an inspiration to other disabled, you know, kids out there, you know, people that don't have a platform, right, to show them that, you know what, if you dedicate yourself to something and you put your mind to it, then there is no limit, right, as to how far you can go or what it is that you can do, right. I genuinely believe, and I'm a firm believer that if you can think it, then you can make it happen,
for sure.
Right. So yeah, my disability is spinal bifida, yeah, and it's a permanent disability, you know. So it's like most disabilities. Like if you're disabled, then
It's
you're probably
permanent.
gonna be
It is,
disabled
yeah.
for the rest of your life.
Yeah.
Right. But yeah, I think we can move it over to Galush.
Yeah. Do you want to educate us about maybe any disability
Uh,
besides your disability? Because
besides mine.
you've told us enough about it, man.
Meh.
Yeah.
I understand. It's okay.
But I think there's different types of CP, ne?
Yeah, there is.
Maybe you can
Like
dwell
different
into that
stages.
rather.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like there are different types. There are those that affect them verbally. There are
Mm,
those that affect them physically. Those, mentally even. I've seen it with my own eyes. It's
Yeah.
okay. But again, yeah, those that affect them verbally, it's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like their mouth or their tongue is filled here by their throat, so they can't really speak clearly.
Usufugazi.
More
Usufugazi.
like it's swollen.
Mm.
And like, yeah, cerebral palsy is not as complicated, man. There are those that can like control their body and bathuthumela, abatsamaya. Oh yeah, guys, don't take offense, eh? It's just
No,
how
we
it
aim
is.
we aim to inform, right?
Yeah,
We don't aim to
yeah.
offend, you know.
So yeah,
And do you want to educate us about any disability, even if you're not disabled?
I get disabled in it.
Yeah.
But then what I wanna know more Lona guys. Kore like hokokwe like hwahak aubu like is it a disability?
Yeah, mostly
They are,
I think
you know,
it falls under
under-
CP. It falls under what Galush is saying when he says others can't speak properly. So there are those ones who like voice yabona. It's either backwards as you're saying or it's either they can talk like properly but their voice it's
it's not as
Okay, yeah, ka tla guys, yeah. Nna ke batla go le like for Comelia whereby you're born with like short limbs. Like matsogo a
Also,
lekane.
it's basically Moeketsi disability.
yeah, it's basically my disability. Yeah.
Whereby like matsogo a lekane. It might happen go like o sena like lento. Wa tlhaloganya?
yeah.
Yeah.
I understand.
Ke yone ke tsebang fela.
All right.
Oh, and I'll be educating you all about muscular dystrophy. I'm going to read this, then I'll try to elaborate. Muscular dystrophy (MD) is a group of genetic disease causing progressive muscle weakness and degeneration, often resulting in significant physical disability. It leads to mobility challenges such as difficulties walking, climbing stairs, or needing wheelchairs, and can affect respiratory and cardiac muscles. So basically what it means is like when you grow older, you get more weaker. Yeah, I think when you go you go weaker to an extent whereby you can like uzalwe normal, then you end up on a wheelchair or not having muscles to do some things.
Slowly but
At
surely.
a certain age.
As you grow, you become more weaker, and I stand to be corrected, but I heard that it's kunzima ukuthi ubone people baga ama MD to reach the age of 30, right?
Or
Yeah,
40.
it's rare.
It's rare to
very
see
rare,
someone
you know.
with MD.
That's also
Okay.
something.
But then
that-
like how do you feel like all sharp like this whole time?
I feel like
At
it's
a certain age,
traumatic.
like
yo.
palama wheelchair, like
Yeah, yeah.
easy, like
No, but like I feel like if you're born with something, right, then the human brain is
It's
very good.
adjustable, yeah.
It's very good when it comes to adapting, right?
Mm.
So if you are born paralyzed, you have no recollection of being able to walk, right? So you don't know how it feels. To you, it's something that you can see, but it's not. It's far from who you are, right?
Yeah.
So
And
people,
okay, you
yeah.
can-
So people that are basically paralyzed, right, or wheelchair bound, they don't know how it is, right? Think of it like birds, right? We see birds from afar, right, and we see that they can fly, right?
Yeah.
But we don't have the ability to fly. So it's something that we see, but
we can do.
it doesn't really bother us, right? You can't physically fly, right? But you can just get into a plane and you can.
But then we didn't fly you.
Conspiracy.
Yeah,
But
that's what I wanted to say. That's what I wanted to say, Uguti. Like Tina as disabled, they won't view it the same like the way she view corner. They might feel sorry for us and etc. But we are perfectly fine the way
And
we
you know,
are.
and
And
you
it's
know,
normal, eh?
and you know, it's something that I personally don't like, right? Like sympathy, right? I believe that, you know, like if you are meeting me for the first time, right, you feeling sympathy towards me, and maybe, you know, that this is how a lot of disabled people feel, right? Like we don't really want sympathy in
For
that
sure,
sense,
yeah.
but we want to be heard, right? Like we want to be recognized, right? As also, you know, normal human beings that are
Yeah.
contributing to society, right? In
Like
whatever-
see us beyond
Yes,
disability.
yes. So
Yeah.
we are much more than our disabilities, right?
Yeah.
It's just like it is, as the term says, it's a ability that we are lacking in, right? It doesn't define who we are, right? We
Yeah.
are much more beyond our
And
disabilities.
mangathi uyabheka, there are some things that we can do ama able bodies abangakwazi ukuyenza.
Yeah,
For
yeah.
example, my brother over here, I doubt he can swim, or if he can, I highly doubt he's faster than me.
Yeah, it's not.
Yeah,
sure.
but nigga, I'm currently holding the SA record. As I've said on the last episode, I'm no longer swimming, but the SA record is under me.
Nah, I'm
E mona
only-
ke sia makgowa ho le mme wa lekgowa re how
and hold this move.
since Sugule topic get disability, I wanted to ask, man, will you date someone who is disabled?
No.
Let my okay. you were so fast to respond, bro.
But then you disabled, bro.
No.
You were so fast to respond.
Whoa, now wait till you're young, daddy. No.
Mm.
Nah. Mina ngiyisikhala
Yeah.
It's called
Sure. nake disabled
Yeah.
Francois na beno nga se ko mo geleng ke da ke lata motho o tshwana le nna doesn't make sense for me
So
personally.
you won't date someone who is disabled because you are disabled.
I wouldn't, but if it were to happen that I end up with someone who's disabled, I would accept
Nigga,
it.
we went to the same school. You were actually dating people who
Yeah,
are
shit,
disabled.
let's
So
plan
what I
it.
Okay.
I'm like Nyasbu's good
No,
where does it come
whoa,
from?
No, yes, I dated people who are disabled. I get hand,
Okay, so
but
When you won't date, like I said.
okay, so from now on you wouldn't do that.
no, even back then I wouldn't.
You had no choice. You had no choice.
Okay.
You know what I
get
hate? Like
Yeah.
if I were to date a normal person, you know which process I hate. You're walking up to them and asking for their number. Yo,
Nekwa baba. Nekwa baba.
Nage nekwa baba, mara unyaka.
Awufoneli. So Jipa, will you date someone who is disabled?
Well, for me personally, right? I believe that, you know, what is destined from me, right, will come to pass, right? It will happen. So, is it ideal that I date somebody who's disabled? No, right? I wouldn't want to.
I love a bit of
Hear me out.
Okay,
So, you know, being disabled, right? You, especially, you know, if you're going to a physically disabled school, right? You get exposed to a lot of disabilities, right? A lot of conditions. So, for me, I am aware that a lot of people that are disabled, you know, they suffer, right? Especially people that are wheelchair bound, man. Akukho lula bafethu yabo, like abantu thola ukuthi ufuna ukugibela itaxi, you know, abantu bakubheka kabi,
then you
yabo.
need help. and you
Yeah,
are
so
alone,
so
yeah.
for me, ideally, you know, and also the stigma, I don't know if it's real, right, or it's a manga, but man, from what I know is that, you know, there's some conditions, right, that are genetic, right? So for instance, if I have a certain condition, right, you know, like my disability, I'm not saying that my disability is, but it could happen that it's genetic, right? So chances are that if I do end up having kids, the disability is likely to pass over, right? So you can imagine now
The whole family is now,
if I am gonna, if I end up settling with a disabled partner, right? There's a huge chance that when we do start, we do, start having kids, or we do have kids, the chances are those kids are gonna be disabled, and they might have worse conditions, right?
Because the genetic are combined too.
Yeah. So for me, I'm not saying that, like, I accept that, there's a chance that
You might give birth.
you might give birth to disabled people, children, I mean. But then I wouldn't, basically what I'm saying is that, if it was up to me, I wouldn't date that somebody who's disabled. I would.
And that's the thing as well, man. Also, disabled women and girls, they don't want disabled men.
Not all.
Half.
But think about
half.
it, bruv. Like, we all have. It's not my type of a fit.
Yeah.
We all have. We all
A
have
go
an
for, a
envision.
go for.
We all have a vision of a woman, right, that we want to potentially end up with, right?
Yeah.
So, bafethu yabona mina bafethu everin mina mangicabanga ogele mina ngicabanga uzi yabo ngicabanga so bafethu mana, so like my dream girl, is I just don't have visions of somebody who is disabled.
Yeah, I
right?
get that.
Rather, I mean, I just want, but then again, it's attraction, man, is something that is so complex. It's just not about, the physical appearance, you start talking to a girl who is beautiful, mara uthi mawumbheka intellectually, man.
So like
Yeah.
can I ask you a
Tenacious
question?
speed.
Yeah.
Like in terms of when Ochola, do you go for looks or personality, or like
So
I go for
just
both.
so just like what I mentioned, right? They all have contributing factors, right? Like they, to a certain degree, awufuna ukujola nomuntu omubi, but then again, to be in a sustainable long-term relationship, right, it's important to seek somebody who you align with, right? Like based off your lifestyle, right? Angeke ukuthi we out here thanda ukugroover, right? And then you settle for
Someone who stays indoors.
somebody who's a church, like who's obsessed with church, right?
Yeah,
Who's
yeah,
obsessed
I
with
feel like gig into a right.
yeah, hear me out.
Yeah.
Yes, to you might feel like, yeah, there's a chance, that there's a massive chance, right? Which I feel like right? But when at the end of the day, you are ultimately gonna do damage to her, because your lifestyle will pilai, right? And it's not gonna sit well with her, right?
Yeah.
So essentially, when the whole aspect of opposites attract, I don't get it, right?
Exactly.
Because I don't get it. I feel like you
Siyafana
should seek out somebody that you at a certain point in your life you're aligned with, right? Whether that be financially, or what you guys are looking to build long
Yeah,
term.
for sure.
So you shouldn't look, if like for me, right, where I'm at my career, right, I get people, even when I'm talking to girls, right, like early on, was like they feel like, when you're a DJ, you're accustomed to that rockstar lifestyle, right? You are always out,
Busy with
turnable girl, right?
girls.
But some of us, we're just looking for peace, right? Like most DJs, actually, most of the time, like deep down, they are looking for somebody that, when they are from gigging, right, and they are coming back from, like loud spaces, because ukudlala, like, DJing, it's not just, you listening, it also takes a strain on you physically, right? So most DJs, I would think they are looking to come back home to a peaceful environment, right? So yeah, then again, like I said, it depends with where you are in your life and what you're looking for, right? But then again, be considerate, of
Yeah.
abanye abantwana, right? Because yes, you're like, even if you're looking for something, right, you might find that the lifestyle that you're living doesn't align, no, or at least not yet, with what you're looking for, right? So sometimes I feel like it's also okay, you know, to be single, right? Sometimes usicabanga, right? Ukuthi, yabo, you don't, bafethu, lento leyo ukuthi you need to rush into a relationship. No, man. Yabo, kona fere umjolo grand, yabo. Fere ya, khumnathi umjolo, right? But then again, man, let's not always rush into a relationship, right? Sometimes take the time to get to know somebody, right? Because hey, bafethu, abantu amajita la ngaphandle, they are killing themselves, you know, because they fall in love, right, with a person, right, and they have this perspective that they build of that person, and then once the person really exposes themselves, like, for who they are, it's a massive bomb. But it's like you didn't follow the signs were there, right? So it's okay to take the time to get to know somebody. You know, you're spoiling you're spoiling the market, right? Because nowadays, you know, and then other kids they are no more eager to jump into a relationship, right? So sometimes it's okay to just, especially if you see that things are not working out, it's okay to say which you know,
like,
yeah.
Aspege le generation will come to you, my friend. Ukuthi, will you date someone who's disabled? But Jipa, aspege le generation, bro. Because hearing you ngizwa ukuthi like wena ungaba single until you find umuntu oright ongahlala naye forever, ne? That's very rare in this time and age, bro. Like for me now, everyone is like cheating have come to a stage where it is normalized, bro. And to a point where people don't consider cheating as cheating. You get for cheating, like, for example, exchange of souls. Abantu abasenandaba with exchanging souls, bro. It's normalized and it's wrong. So when in this time and age, like ufuna ukuhlala ube single, ubhekana naloyo muntu oyiwani ozohlala naye.
Okay, so for me, you see, one thing that I've seen, right? Okay, I don't know if I mentioned it, but I'm a Christian, right? So, I believe that, you know, in the year 2026, the devil is alive and well, right? He's healthy, because you see, a lot of guys, you know, some are cheater, you know, even girls, ladies, you know, we fall into temptations, right?
Easily.
We tend to fall into temptation easily. And a social media, you know, the whole aspect of a social media, it's now, you know, like nowadays the information that we consume is right at our doorstep, right? Like your phone is next to you 80% of the time, right? When you wake up in the morning, 5 minutes buffet I pay, right?
Yeah.
People nowadays, they don't take the time to wake up and pray in the morning, right, before they go about their business. Same time. So you know, going back to what to make it to say it, like, Bafetu, cheating has been amplified, you know, because of, I would say, because of social media, right? You know, the things that we are exposed to, you know, especially like in the side of our, like, girls, right? They, you know, before social media, right, like our parents, you know, would tell us, which, you know, back then it was easier, you know, to find somebody, you know, that you could settle with, right? Because like the ladies weren't exposed to what they see on social media, right? Babonabo saying bougie, you know, living this
fancy lifestyle,
this baby lifestyle.
Now
right? They're going overseas, so now they come with expectations that
body BBL.
Yeah. People that can find their BBL lifestyle, right? So now it becomes a situation of Uguti, they can't. They believe that, you know, us, you know, like, I think majority of us are in our 20s, right? They believe that in our 20s, in our early 20s, we should be driving a Benz, you know, we should be able to pay for private flights. But then again, you see, that's where now as you're out, you may lose understanding, which, okay, at this current point in my life, you understand?
Yeah.
So it's important to always stay authentic to who you are. You can't early on, you can't be as umjita. So you are being pressured by girl to now what you need
have
to
to
force
do this
this
to be a
lifestyle.
man.
Yeah, but isn't
Yeah.
about in life everything there's a process to everything, right? There's a process to making your first million dollars, right? It's a process. It's not sure for some people it might happen overnight, right? It happens, but for the majority, you need to put in the work, right? You need to put in the hours, right? Like with us DJs, right? There's this saying that you as a DJ you need to put in 10,000 hours of work, right? Before you have to put in your 10,000 hours before you can say now, okay, I want gratification, right, for my work as a DJ, right?
Yeah.
It's not a aksema fly by night, but everything is there's a process to everything.
To just to add on that, kule bowukhuluma ngayo, I think, and nowadays love is no longer love, man. Like ukuthandana, it's about now what do you bring in the table.
But I feel
What
like
do you offer?
you see in that
Yeah,
aspect.
like
Yeah.
like
You see,
And
I
more
feel-
especially emantombazaneni.
Oh,
As they are
banyana.
pressurized.
You see,
on-
you see with that,
they
you
want
see-
money.
You see
Yo,
with that,
yo.
Bafetu, it is understandable, man. Our parents, especially our fathers, right? They've always, you see, my dad raised me that, with the mentality of Wuti, umjita, a guy provides, right? You'd be foolish to jump into a relationship, right, with somebody knowing very well that you're unemployed.
Or you can't provide.
On a plan, you have no motion, right? So, hence, you see, like where I'm at, right? Okay, I'm not gonna disclose on my personal life, right? But I feel like it's something that it's absolutely foolish to jump into a relationship, right, with somebody knowing very well which you can't take her out, right?
Yeah,
So, and one thing girls love, they love gifts, right? They like to be gifted. It's not, it doesn't mean that, Manjo girl, when she has a certain standard, right, about what she wants from a relationship, she's a gold digger, right? I feel like one thing that I've learned with girls is that girls are very, very, very loyal to their feelings, right? More than anything, right? How you make them feel in the moment, right? They are very loyal to that. That's why when you get on party, she's more susceptible to what? To cheat, especially if she has somebody that she's talking to, right? No matter how saint she might seem, right? So girls are very loyal to their feelings. So now as amachita bafethu, you shouldn't be lento leyo ukuthi I want to jump into a relationship, yabo ngina plan just for the sake ukuthi I want to smash. Rather
valid,
machita find a smashing buddy, man. Somebody that you can like be
So like when
ngathini,
body
be-
sneaky link.
not really a sneaky link, right? See, if you are single, let's just say you're single, you're not seeing somebody, right? Because I feel like having a sneaky link, it means that you're having somebody that you're having sex with that you don't want people to know about, right? So it's like it's especially if you're in a
No, like,
relationship,
but
it's
then you
cheating.
can have a sneaky link where, like, relationship are only complicated.
No,
Yeah,
no,
that's-
no,
no,
no, no, no, no,
That's
no,
a
no.
hard-
That's
Ah.
cheating. That's
So
just
that's
a-
basically
That's
that's
complicated. Like,
that's
yeah,
basically what we are
that's not
against.
No,
That's
like,
based.
no.
Listen
No,
me,
like,
listen,
I'm a
hear me
person,
out.
okay.
Okay,
No, the example like a way.
okay.
Sharp.
I am talking one shepherd. Let's take example like No, my
No, like,
parents and girlfriend are watching
no,
this shit.
it's a example like a ad.
Listen.
So like,
I know.
do you believe in Chagibua?
No, listen.
Read the example.
Emma paid. Hear me out, ne? Me doing it doesn't mean it is right. Me doing it doesn't mean it is right. Get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know me doing it doesn't mean it's right. That's the end of it. We are against cheating. It is what Jepa was saying. Temptations.
Yeah.
What leads us to there. Yeah. But without wasting any time, because we have more topics to talk about. Giovanni,
Hola.
will you date someone who is disabled, my brother?
Not really, but then Ngamojol.
Reason being. Reason being,
More
and
than I
do you have limitations?
No, nah, I would like when I said not real, but then nkamu date.
You wouldn't mind doing it, okay? Yeah.
But then happy I do mind. Because if ever like it is like limit or disabled, obviously like but like they gonna like but no buva. Oh no, like this guy is after the girl's money. Understand, nama?
Yeah.
I understand. That's what like you can to looking regria
Yeah.
outside.
Yeah.
Even though like they telling le made it sharp, but then like that made it like only sharp financially sharp.
Batlo bua ba.
But no bua about to know like you after the money. Understand?
Even
So,
though you're not.
Yeah, got disability. Like now I'd rather like date much all normal.
Okay.
Understand?
Because
At the end of the
people.
day, what
Not
this-
because of people, but then now I come date like much long or disabled. Like le bone ba deserve like khogati or like mlefatse like honestly like ba deserve like go create that love e lo reng le rona batho ba normal like at all. Understand? Ke ntse le reng ke batla go raise. Cause like most men like baka say like baba normal as me, me they won't date like people who are paralyzed because like at no like him. What is my family gonna say? Yeah, go to etsagala eng batho ke fitlhela nna starting like they gonna laugh at me.
Yeah, I get
Understand?
that, I get that.
And like it looks like that's why like most of banyana baba disabled like but decide oh no like with the I keep battle next come child. Understand? Because like ba hate you child.
Mara bana ba disabled. Sorry to say this.
Na ke na experience.
Ke difebe.
No.
Ke difebe.
No, but then no honestly
Disabled
like
hands are seeking for love so badly.
but then live on like
But
but
behind the
deserve
scenes-
No man, they're overdoing
behind the
it.
scenes-
They
But
should
that's
be
a
limited.
stereotype, right?
No,
You're
no,
not
no,
speaking
no,
for-
no,
you're not
that's-
speaking for everybody.
Please hear me out.
everybody like le batho ba normal like batho ba normal. Ke di prostitute. Ke
No.
50-50.
No,
Please hear me
no,
out.
yeah.
Please hear me out. Please hear
Ama
me out.
bele,
Ukuthi
bakhona,
iphuma.
bakhona.
Yeah, ngiyayizwa like.
Come on,
Okay,
can I ask you a question?
Okay, yes.
Ne?
Mm.
Is there a disabled like prostitute?
No.
Sharp.
At least maybe we don't know.
Bafethu abantu abakhosha
Asibaboni. Okay.
But then I
So you
think
cannot say-
99.9%.
I think
Yabona ke batho ba
let me give
normal.
a reason of why ngikhuluma lento engisho. Ne? Let me give a reason why ngikhuluma ngento engisho. Angisho okay as abuza ukuthi do I know as abuza
I'm
ukuthi
just
do
being
I
honest,
as
though.
abuza ukuthi do I know umuntu disabled or yi prostitute, right?
Yeah.
I don't know one, but at least a prostitute he has like iziphili noma ingasho ukuthi mina ngiyi prostitute but like uyayibona ukuthi i prostitute uyadayisa lo. So into ngabantu aba disabled ne mostly, not everyone of course, mostly ithi ngisho kanjalo, no offense, but based on into engizibonile nani uyabo, they are seeking for love and they are overdoing it to a
Too
point
much.
where to a point where mangithanda umuntu ne, okay, to a point where umuntu disabled can like uyibona ku right makajola nabantwana abayi namajita ayi3. Reason being, listen, number
it's the
1,
same thing,
listen, no, reason being, let me finish angaqedi na i point. Reason being, mostly abantu aba disabled abashelwa kakhulu. Mostly abantu aba disabled, they want that attention.
Ba batla pistol.
They want that attention.
Ba batla pistol.
And that's why for example at this time and age it's very rare to find a virgin elna 20, right?
It's very rare man.
It's very rare. It's very rare. Not hayi ukuthi wonke umuntu akusive, but it's very rare. Let's be honest.
But
It's
then
very rare.
more-
But
more-
when it comes to disability,
Usho bathi yes my vision.
no,
Wow,
listen,
ukamata.
awungizwa,
But-
listen, wait. It's very rare to find umuntu ona 20 or a virgin at this time and age. But good disability mostly are virgins. Reason being, mostly are virgins. That's why ngithi
Abashilo thatha.
abashelwa kakhulu and they bayayifuna leyo nto. They are seeking for love, like
They're seeking for not
ngiyazi
for
ukuthi like generally wonke umuntu kukanje yenzeka everywhere, but like based on good disability angazi if niyangizwa lento
But then
engikhuluma.
now that's and now I wouldn't mind le.
Mm.
Go jela umuntu disabled. That like disadvantage tsaka. Go ke jela umuntu disabled. Ne guys, like listen tshwaya phoso.
No
ne?
offense taken.
No offense taken, guys.
Ish.
Ne?
Yeah.
Imagine like now I've seen like dishomi tsa gagwe, like dishomi tsa lona like when
Yeah,
ka lushile le moketsi, ne? Ke bone. So like I've seen like them like baba sina like mouth. They ba tsenya mouth so. So
Prosthetic legs.
Imagine na ke kopana le motho go groove shapa. Ga jola. Re tsela go betting. A re tsela go betting motho o ntsha like takes out the feet. Wa ka yo ba I said trauma le.
Yo.
Ba like naga like trauma ke normal like
Yeah.
or the like when if ever normal like no
Yeah.
get there motho answer mouth mo betting boy.
Kuisa high.
Like khala atla tsa ma sharp. Like she was working like khala tsa ma sharp.
But
Then
yeah.
suddenly
Oh,
mouth boom.
Ones.
Kitlela
No, but you see the thing with people that are wearing prosthetics, right? Mount or right? You can see
Artificial
like,
legs.
you can see
Some
like, the
you
limbing.
can't. You see when mostly if they are like
Emna-
amanyawabo, if they have knees
Mm.
and then under the knees they abana
I've
amanyawo.
seen
Yeah.
one.
Then lapho it's rare
It's
ukuthi
rare,
umbone
yeah.
ukuthi because
Mm.
remember the knee is actually controlling the leg,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
prosthetic. So anyeke uyibone kanjalo
Na-
ukuthi
like-
oh lo muntu akana amanyawo.
Honestly, I've seen one,
Mm.
but then I won't mention the name.
Okay.
Why is that?
Eh.
But then that time I was drunk, and like now like the girlfriend like we were like,
You didn't expect it, basically.
like
Yazi
that
yini
person like
bamangazile ukuthi uhamba bekahamba ngamanyawo then jiki sekahamba ngamadolo.
and like the other guy like os bloma naye like Fletchen, like he was like okay sharp. He always like used the wheelchair.
Uh-huh.
Ne?
Mm.
So suddenly after some few hours, like
He's walking.
Spuzil, like I'm so fucking drunk. So for this ne, like tahil. But then like suddenly mutukiyo, otla atama, like I was like,
What's
What
happening
the hell, like?
now? Yeah. And yeah, man. For me, will I date someone who is disabled?
yes.
Definitely.
Yes.
Definitely.
Exactly.
Because I'm currently in a relationship with someone who is
And-
disabled
And a father to be.
and a father to be.
Yes, sir.
But ne, I don't mind dating someone who's disabled because I'm disabled. Number one.
High five.
I too.
Sheba.
Hi, one.
Whatever you call
sharp,
this,
sharp,
it's
sharp.
sharp, ne?
Hi, one.
Sharp.
But yeah, man, I have limitations, ne? I not to offend, but I wouldn't date umuntu oku wheelchair.
Why?
Reason being, I'm disabled. Remember, and to be
Mobility
honest,
matter.
and to be honest, ngivumelana nani ukuthi in most cases more disabled mele ujole nomuntu onormal. Reason being, anyeke sosogola soyi-2.
Exactly.
Yabo. Yeah, we want akumelanga sosogola soyi-2. For example, I don't have hands. My girlfriend is in a wheelchair. Ubani uzolanda ishukela phezu kweraka.
Yabo.
Ubani like and mase sifike embedeni.
Ubani uzobamba omunye.
Sekumele yabo and with no offense again kunalaba disability. I don't know what's the disability called. I think it also falls under disability yako spinal bifid.
Ila spine.
Yeah, where they are old but they use nappies.
Diapers.
Yeah, they use nappies. It's for I'm just educating, no offense taken. But yeah, man, anye ngikwazi ukujola nabantu abanjalo. Reason being, man, in fact, like it's my preference, angisho.
Yeah.
So no offense should be taken. Reason being, mfethu, like kawumele uchange, like for me now, it's like
It's a red flag.
it's not a red
Is it?
flag, man, because I
What is
into
it?
angayenza ngayo. I feel like a red flag should be things umuntu angayichange kube green flag.
Sure.
Like kuzalwe ngayo.
Okay.
But like for me now, it's not a go for area.
Oh.
I rather say that njengomuntu oku-wheelchair, it's not my go for
At
area.
the end of the day, like it goes back to what I mentioned, which we all have preferences.
Yeah.
Right. So we all have a vision of like who we want to date, right? Sometimes yes, it's unrealistic, but it's not my type of fit.
Yeah.
That's what it eventually boils
yeah.
down to. I'm sorry.
So yeah, man, Buffett,
Yeah.
we've been talking about the disability for isikhathi eside manje.
Yeah.
As
Guys,
cheap
guys,
as-
slash and do.
itlohlala qova.
Okay.
Nizwile
It's a shift siye kwama topic
siya kuma topic are different and we've wasted time.
Shaka Zulu.
So I wanted to ask guys yini ibizwana konje daily routine or like into maniyenza every day man like
daily routine.
Daily routine.
no but angifundile lo gama like njalo masiza la into ekumele siyenze
Yeah.
but asiyenze every day.
What do
You're
you
not making sense. Yeah.
Nah, I know it enough.
Like for example okay tingenza example like la ekhaya here at Unmuted Chaos we ask everyone ukuthi what's your chaotic thought
Yeah.
in each and every episode. So I want the way to ukuthi in each and every episode you have to ask you all yini chaotic thought. What's the way?
What was the term that he mentioned?
Daily routine.
Daily routine.
But we're not
Yeah,
doing
it's a
it.
daily routine, mas.
But we're not posting every. Okay, it's fine. Without it. It's
cool.
Yeah, without. Yeah.
It's called as sometimes routine.
Okay, yeah, man. Where should I start, guys? Here,
You can mention because he mentioned.
Jovan.
him too.
Oh, okay. So
Your favorite person.
Nah, he's
Thanda
not my
kakhulu.
favorite, man. I just love his agenda.
No, like I remember the time they came like Kumaboni.
So that's your
He was like,
chaotic thought.
He was like
Mkhulu. No,
this is the guy I was telling you about. This is the guy I was telling you about. Them bag and
mfethu allegedly I feel like labantu laba basebenzisa umuthi man.
wabonile msikune le video.
Kunala nama-video.
Onale ntwe bayilatswang so.
Yeah, yani
Inkani mfethu. Inkani tag.
like isebenzana
yini umuthi
Like
ngesilungu
yawutisa.
like
Yawutisa.
batlohlaya next
medicine but
Or they are using.
black
Black magic.
magic
Black
black
magic.
magic
But it's
yeah,
not
yeah.
black.
Aye wena. So yeah man, let's talk about Giovanni's
no, it's not my chaotic thought.
Ngize mkhulu.
okay, it's fine. It
Maybe
was
it's
going
yours.
to be mine.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll start with me. My chaotic thought ukuthi nibonile ukuthi indlu kaMkhulu ishile. Like
kumakhaya
emakhaya yase KZN.
and like
So I have
But vele kwenzakaleni lapho.
I'm not uncle sure. I think it's not yet confirmed.
He was
Like,
alleged-
Allegedly.
Alleged.
Barige alleged.
Yeah.
Barige EFF.
Barige
But-
EFF.
Yes. I'm gonna remember who's this.
Malema.
Ngizwe
Oh,
Mkhulu.
Ngizwe. Yeah.
I think Malema find Mkhulu.
Oh yeah, I remember.
I think million something. Ne? Millions.
I just know ukuthi I think kune abazwani.
Exactly.
no like
Yeah.
1
And then
million 1 million
Mkhulu wathuka
Umalema.
Umalema. So I think it's
Okay,
either,
wait. Can I have one question?
Yeah.
Is Mkunu is
One
he a
of the-
politician?
He's,
I
they
think
say
they say
he
I think
he
he
is
is
a
involved.
politician.
He's not
No,
like
I see
Guma political party nan but I think he
I
is
see
involved.
somewhere.
He's an
in-
activist basically.
No,
Yeah,
like,
somewhere along the line.
I think if I'm not lying, like I think like Owela under this party, like Inkatha Freedom Party.
Inkandla.
Inkatha.
Inkatha. I'm
Inkatha
not
Freedom Party.
familiar with
IFF.
that.
IFF.
IFP.
IFP,
IFP.
yes,
Yes.
okay.
Because like
Oh.
bana display ile da.
Okay.
Because Kimazulu akere most of
Oh,
them.
yeah.
So, guys,
but then, yeah.
I'm not sure.
I have umbuzo about Leon. Do you think okay, Ukalushi said
Wait, Barry. But the house, and the house was burnt out, right? But inside the house there was no finish.
But finish
So
guy.
on TikTok, Barry, lay prank, he'll find his own money and stuff. They say it's just an act.
Oh,
But
he
then
was
like
trying
the guy
to-
was crying.
But
But the guy was crying.
But
Man.
But then
Yeah,
Bekakhala.
Bekakhala.
In the
People
news.
was crying,
people
like,
can
genuinely.
fake
So
tears.
do you also think
not
it's
fake-
acting?
No, not
but
fake.
Ah,
I don't-
nigga, I doubt
I don't
that
think
it's
it's acting. That's why I can't.
No, it's not
Yeah.
AI.
Because the guy, I'm fair to like you see a KZN in most huts and get it, they have not yet built regular houses like that.
So
Unless you-
Gishini.
Unless you go into the city. Yabo. So in most huts, it's like most huts it's just a mat. Dog.
Oh.
It's just a mat.
Kiki
There's like
chini,
less
bedroom,
furniture.
Mara bapheka ngani?
Bapheka ngani? Kuhlala
Like
kubani?
khona ihut la upheka khona mfethu. Iround. Bathi yini irondo.
Randaville.
Irondo.
Ironda
Yeah.
Oh.
Khona la bapheka khona.
So yeah guys mina benginombuzo ne since kuyi chaotic thought. So umbuzo ukuthi okay, Kalushi said bakang ukuthi ama EFF. I was not aware about
Allegedly.
that. But I wanted to know ukuthi since yenzeke KZN,
Mm.
do you all think ukuthi foreigners are involved in this? Number
Definitely.
one.
No.
Definitely.
Number two, do you think since Ungizwe he's involved, and I think he's the main one or one of the main people aba involved kulento ukuthi ama foreigner bawahambe, do you think ukuthi ama foreigner azohamba? Yeah, two questions. Do you think foreigners are involved kulento yakhe eshayo, and do you think ukuthi will all foreigners like izofika kule point ukuthi wonke ama foreigner ahambe la?
Man, you know what
Emzansi.
I think?
Not completely though.
you know what I think, Ane?
Yeah.
I feel like we have a lot of people, you know, behind the scenes that are doing a lot of work, right? Working to confuse people, right? Working to cause chaos, right? The problem, you see, okay. No, I'll actually save that one for my chaotic thought. But essentially, for me, I don't feel like there are foreigners that are involved. But I'll add on. I'll add on.
When it's your
Yeah,
chaotic thought.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
okay, it's
yeah.
fine. So do you think ama foreigners azohamba?
Not completely.
No.
Okay.
That's not
So
possible.
man, I will mention why I'm a foreigners.
Anyeka.
It's not even realistic to say. Man, like you see this thing, I understand. About I don't. It's not realistic, Buffet, to do that, right? Mind you, when did we South Africa gain political freedom, right? We are not free economically, right?
Yeah, but like
Yeah.
okay. Yeah.
We gained political freedom
1990.
in 1994, right?
Yeah.
And when we gained political freedom in 1994, we had the comrades, right? MK, right?
Yeah.
Which
yeah.
were
Kodesi.
yeah,
Yeah.
which were in exile in these
Go
Africans.
DRC.
Yeah, DRC, Mozambique.
Yeah.
I'm not sure about Zimbabwe.
Yeah. It shows more. There's this other documentary, Kalush. Well, do you know the person, Kalush?
No, I'm not familiar with him.
You must go and check it. Like Kalush, like
Solomon Mahlangu.
Solomon Mahlangu.
Oh,
Yeah,
Solomon,
Solomon
yes,
Mahlangu.
yes. I am
Yes,
aware.
I love
So basically, what I'm saying is that, like, in 1994, right, when the ANC came into power, right, and they were the guys that were running the nation, right. Nelson Mandela, Nelson Mandela aimed, right, to bring peace, right, specifically to Southern Africa, not only South Africa, but like other countries in South Africa.
But then,
So
can I ask you a
Angola-
question?
Then I also have a question.
Can I-
but I want to
Yeah.
finish
With the
what you're
question.
saying.
So Angola, Mozambique, I'm not DRC also. So those countries, right? He basically what Nelson Mandela did. He opened up South Africa, right, to other Africans, right, and already South Africa was known as the hub, right, in terms of the industrial heart of Africa, basically, right, in terms of employment, also the mines, right. We had a lot. Well, I'm not sure about now, but back then for sure we had a lot of mines, right, that were offering
City of
employment,
gold.
right. So Nelson Mandela, when he opened up the borders of South Africa, he didn't take into consideration how much lasting effects that was going to have in South Africa, right.
Yeah.
So what we saw, or what our parents saw, right, is that there was a huge influx of foreigners, right, that were coming into the country. When they were coming into the country, they met South African sisters, had kids with them, right? So now, and they built livelihoods within South Africa, right? So now for you to ask the question, Owuti, okay, are these people really gonna leave? The answer is a straightforward no, because these people are at a point where they are intertwined with our country, right? Not only economically, right? You could say that, yeah, so they should go, right? But these people are married within South Africa's society. They have kids, right? Some of them are not even, they don't even
And
have the proper documentation, but they have
Some
families.
of them
Can I say
ended up
something?
making a living right here.
I ask you something? I heard you mention like Nelson Mandela, like went so like I know the story of Nelson. And I don't believe okay Nelson Mandela on a boy. South Africa South Africa it's a free country
No,
again. So now I don't believe if Nakia deep.
Yeah.
I don't believe in Nelson Mandela. I think like that 27 years okay years.
in prison. What?
prison.
27 years in prison or
Yeah,
how many
gives you
years?
guy,
Yeah.
And I say for prison like now I think like Bana Kluna like
Nelson
Nelson Mandela cause like Nelson Mandela will tronkong asa batle the bruise.
Oh,
So like get clone like feel like get clone cause like
Because
remember the time I think Amandla and not also Barack Obama like, made the same thing.
Jiggy Jigga
Winnie Mandela asa matla. Like now I can know like Nelson Mandela like like that man feel like 27 years so bana dira clone ya gage or something. If kilo
look at
Okay,
that.
see,
Nah,
later
nah,
on,
nah,
I don't
yeah,
buy
I don't
into
buy
it.
that.
I
I
believe
bet
that
that differ.
Yes, I believe that was Nelson Mandela.
why Nelson
Yeah,
Mandela?
but-
Can I ask you a question?
Okay.
Why Nelson Mandela atsene ko Robben Island but then utsene abu seXhosa but then so obu English
was
first.
cool.
Yeah, let it
Why?
show. I beg to differ, and this is just my opinion, right? I think the like isn't those kulumai. I think uMandela makaqeda ukuphuma ejele after that 27 years, they ended up having in conclusion or like isivumelano.
Oh, an
Yeah,
agreement.
an agreement, yabo.
Yeah.
They ended up having an
Can I-
agreement ukuthi
Can I
Makwenza-
add on that?
yeah.
Do you know that there was a Netflix documentary, right, that was recently released, right? Eyaka Mama Winnie.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, ngibonile.
So in that documentary, you know, Mama Winnie goes, you know, into great detail, right, about her struggles, and what she went through, right, during the apartheid era, and she went to mention, right, that Nelson Mandela. Well, I'm not quoting. I'm just mentioning it based
Yeah,
on like,
yeah,
my
yeah.
recollection. Is that Nelson Mandela betrayed the revolution?
Yeah.
So, and what do I mean by revolution, right? You see, when a revolution is going to take place, right, in a country, right,
Yeah.
it means when there is another association or party or group that is going to take power, right, or there is a revolution in a country, it means that when the revolution does happen, is that there is a total exchange in power, right? And what Nelson Mandela did, apparently, based off what I watched on the documentary, is that he over-compromised, right?
Thank you. That's where I wanted to
He
go to,
over-compromised
but
with giving, with regards to what, black people, would get, and I could go, into depth, right? But I don't want to bore you, like, because it's gonna be.
What
not like it
I
was
can
not-
say,
not-
what I
not-
can say, Nejepa, is that Nelson Mandela also mentioned Uguti, the job is not yet done.
done. So
And
okay,
I
so-
agree vumelana nawo mawuthi he over compromised. But at least kuleyo compromising, we also had a benefit, right?
I'm a bit, Sunny boy.
No, but
But
think
guys,
about it. No, it's not really a
Can
benefit.
I say something?
No,
Nelson-
like
Nelson Mandela was
it's
no,
not a
no.
benefit,
No, can I s-
but like
can I say
compared to the way izinto bezingakhona.
Okay, so okay.
Compared to the,
mina-
it's like
I-
a little bit of elevation, nyana,
okay.
2 step upward.
Can I?
But then
let
when
me-
I
let me-
do you think like in Nelson Mandela that time I thought don't go?
Bro, I just feel like, realistically speaking, like,
Okay, let's
Let's
talk about
let's
facts.
hear
Let's
Kalush.
talk about
Nelson
facts, and then I'm a
Mandela.
conspiracy.
Okay, yeah. Let's stick to
Let's talk
facts,
about
actually.
what we actually
Facts.
know.
Yeah,
right?
let's stick to
about what we
facts.
actually know.
Now
Yeah.
I know.
All right. Wait. Okay. When we'll give you a chance to elaborate further,
Oh,
right?
nah.
On why you
You
believe.
think so? You believe
But
so? Yeah.
but on Nelson Mandela, right? The reason why I say not much has really changed. The only thing that black people, right, the only thing that has that we've really benefited on Foot, I wouldn't say it's a benefit. We just gained the right to vote, right? The right to not walk around without carrying a dompas,
Dompas.
right?
And
The
whites are not in charge as they were.
So we just gave the only thing that I would say we gain is just things got they got more lenient for black people, right? Because during apartheid, it's not to say that our people were subjugated to like being slaves, right? But it was just a matter of laws back then were strict on black people, right? You couldn't go here. You could, isn't it, right? With Nelson Mandela, the only thing that changed is that we just gained the right to vote. We gained Martin, we gained the right to vote. I mean, on my based on my perspective, I believe that not much has changed in South Africa, right?
What
Because
more do you guys want?
we want economic emancipation.
But you gotta work.
No, hear me out. We want economic emancipation, right? Because what we got in 1994 was political emancipation, right?
Yeah.
Based off like we could choose who we wanted to vote for. We had now the right to vote, right?
Yeah.
But with economic emancipation, the land must come back to the black person,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Let me
No,
let me-
I
let me-
get-
let me-
I guess.
Okay,
let me finish. Let me finish.
Let's
Let me
give
finish.
Jipa to give us a conclusion, then we jump to
conclusion.
Okay.
Yeah.
So basically, what I mean, like 70% of South Africa's land is still owned by white people, right?
For sure.
So the land must come back to
Rightful
our
owners.
like to the rightful owners, because our forefathers owned the land, right? So we should have the I believe that we should have the right to choose what happens like with our land in South Africa, right? In terms of because the money, when we talk about ichankura imali, it's still in the hands of white people, right? The white monopoly. I'm not a racist.
How?
I'm not a racist.
How?
Okay,
Please explain how. Okay.
I feel like
But
if I
it's-
elaborate further, it's going
No,
to take.
but
Mara lento lena mfethu like
you
into
know-
like into ibonayo network.
you know why, because in my head I just feel, and I'm not a racist, guys. I just feel like we as black people, like we think everything should be handed.
Ukukhuluma lento le utrendela masimba. Talk.
We think we as black people, we think everything should be handed to us like automatically. You know why? Just because we went through slavery and apartheid and all that stuff, it doesn't mean
we can't
we
do
deserve
this.
we
No.
deserve all
Okay, you guys
everything.
are mixing things up, right? When we say we want economic emancipation, it's not to say that we want to receive things for free. We want to be able to work in a country, right? That we actually feel like we are benefiting, right? By actually working in, right? We are benefit in whatever field that I'm working on, right? I genuinely want to feel like I'm making a difference, right, in my country. At this current point, Komzansi, it doesn't feel like that. We are basically umuntu makasebenza nowadays. It feels like one is working strictly for a salary.
But
right?
then Mandela,
And we want to hear me out. We want to dictate. We want to actually have a say, right, in how the money actually moves in our economy, because we don't have a say, right? There's a lot of private investors that are coming into South Africa and investing, right? And those private investors come
can
from
I say
overseas.
something?
And
Buffett,
Facts.
I think I'm
Can I
really
say
sorry
something?
for
Can I see
this.
the facts?
Yeah.
The last,
Yeah.
yeah, Shep. Do you like do you believe Nelson Mandela can eloring or kabatile?
No.
No,
Reason
he's
being,
not
reason,
only to blame,
can I
right?
can I
Because-
finish couple fates?
Okay.
Reason being kriya sheba Mozambique ne Mandela sharp ha re khabata yalo like ha re lemata yalo that much ne or to see some at some point or to see it ne, but then sheba what Robert Mugabe did Aring,
That's,
Kazi
we,
Bab.
we don't have to compare
It's
them.
different.
No,
It's
I can
different.
compare.
Yeah,
Because
it's
with
compare.
Robert
It's
Mugabe,
different.
I can compare.
with
no.
Robert Mugabe,
I
with
can
Robert,
compare.
with Zimbabwe, right? Or back then it was called the Rhodesia, right?
Mm.
What basically occurred with Zimbabwe was a total revolution, right? An exchange of political power and also an exchange of economical power. That's why when Mugabe came into power, all the white people in Zimbabwe they
Bavei.
left,
Eh.
right? That's what happened.
Because
right?
about the whites.
And
As
now
li-
the
Chris-
reason
if
why-
ever- if
the
ever
reason
Chris-
why-
if
the
ever
reason why-
Chris- if ever Chris Lene another president of South Africa, another go dumela like the whites, the both. But
Chris Hani wanted.
it.
Chris
Guys,
Hani also
that's why they
wanted-
killed- that's why they killed-
Nizongixolela, guys, we have a lot to talk about.
Mm.
And I personally think if like we have a lot of opinions and we will never get into conclusion about this
politically wise.
politically wise. We are all right because
Salah.
it's like it's our
Yeah.
opinion at the end of the day. But I personally feel, just to add and full stop, I think I'm not like angivumelani nayo yonke into uMalema ayenzayo, but I think ukuthi if Malema will be in charge, yonke lento leyo
I
ingachange.
also genuinely, you know,
Viva Malema.
Angivumelani nayo yonke into ayenzayo, but I personally think
Nanyavumela.
yeah. But
I'm,
yeah,
I'm
okay.
not. I'm also not. You know, I'm not going to disclose like which party I stand with, right? But
I stand
I
with
believe
PFF.
that if we are looking for economic emancipation, right,
Mm.
then I feel like our vote, if we are serious, like the vote, right, young people should listen to Malema, right?
Yeah.
Malema is associated with chaos, right? But if you listen to that guy deep down, he speaks sense, right? I'm not saying that everything that he does is right, but if you listen to him deep down, he's basically speaking for us black people, right? About what we are like deep down, right? And what we want in our country, right? So if you are, whoever you are, right, you have the ambition to, you've got a vote and you're thinking about who you want to put that vote to, consider listening to Nelson Mandela. Not why am I saying
Julius
Julius
Malema.
Malema. Because with the ANC, right, those guys, they are already comfortable, right? They have their families are set, right? The ANC Vele has run this country into a banana republic, right? So they are not gonna. I feel like they've done their job, right? Which is okay if they've done half the job, right? But they've still done decent work, right? With giving us political freedom. But ultimately, I feel like if we are really looking to get economic emancipation, then we should be looking at a
Jeppe, can I say something?
different party, right?
Okay.
Can I say something?
Yeah, guys.
We're going deeply, like politics.
And it's going, yeah.
Hence, I said that, like, if we
Yeah.
start talking too much, like
Can we-
politics,
Yeah, yeah.
you
Let's
even
just
see with
let's
the
just
Mandela
move to
motion,
another
they
chaotic
talk
thought.
the whole
Chaotic thought, please.
What's your chaotic
What's
thought?
your chaotic thought, my brother?
My chaotic thoughts.
Yeah.
Yo, chaotic thoughts.
Mm.
It's something random, man.
Yeah.
What's
It doesn't have to be deep.
We listening,
Doesn't
dog.
have to be deep.
Guys, we have a few minutes left. We still have to play a young game, remember?
Chaotic thought. Let me pass it to Jepa one. Jepa.
So, my chaotic
Actually,
thoughts,
about the
right?
style, dog.
But it's facts, bro. Ade, Jepa.
So my chaotic thought, right, is okay. I wouldn't necessarily say it's chaotic in the sense, but it goes back to what about Gabs, right? Like what it's my one is actually more on the entertainment side of things. Right?
Scorpion Kings.
Yeah. So like, gents, what the Scorpion Kings are doing, like, that's massive.
Nah,
Never.
too much.
From not only from a musical perspective, right, but also from
I'm a piano.
yeah, and forget about music, right? Not only from a musical perspective, but from a perspective of actually showing the young black man or the young black girl, right, that it's possible
to get
like
there.
with hard work and dedication. It's possible, guys. I feel like this is the first time as a South Africa, right, that we've been able to sell out, like a South African act
60%.
has been able to sell out, you know, FNB. It's not easy selling out FNB, guys.
Yeah,
It's
No,
not
that's
easy.
60%.
Imagine
Three
kuna
kids
abantu
in a
few
abangaka-
hours.
Yeah.
In few
So
which
hours,
Casper,
So-
which stadium
Yo.
did Casper sell out again?
Casper, yes, Casper did perform FNB, but I'm not
Fill
sure
up.
if he
It
sold
wasn't
out.
his.
Yeah, it was.
It wasn't
Yeah,
his.
it was. Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
Was it
Fill up,
his?
Fill up the dope.
Yeah,
But
he
not-
filled
not-
up,
not-
but he filled up the dome. But I'm not sure with the FNB. He did perform FNB, but I'm not sure if he filled it out, right? But from the perspective that I'm talking about is that, like, you know, we have a lot of international acts, right, that are coming from, like, filling up FNB Stadium has always been associated with international acts, right? Back then when we had Beyonce, you know, when it was, I think it was a memorial concert for Nelson Mandela, we had Beyonce there. That's when, like, you know,
Yeah, but
FNB was
Brown,
filled. Yeah,
eh.
FNB was filled up properly. Chris Brown, he filled up FNB.
Yeah.
Travis Scott, he filled up FNB. J. Cole by the looks of it, is going to fill up
Quavo.
FNB. It's not something that has been associated.
O Quiver na guy.
I get to be
Quiver ke ra ke la tla mo jwetsa.
Quavo Kalele event. Kalele.
yeah, I think it was an event.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, going back to what I was saying is that, like, I feel like it's the first time that we are properly seeing so much excitement, right, about filling up a stadium, and you know, it's actually one of ours, right? It's a South African artist, right? And it's not, and you see with filling up FNB, right? It's not to say that, you know, it's only gonna be South Africans that are gonna be there. You know, you'll see people from overseas, because what Maphorisa and Kabza, right, have done is that they've set the bar now. They are no more just local artists. They are international artists,
yeah.
right?
That
They are
is
artists
right.
that are recognized overseas,
That's right.
right? So with such artists, you know, it's about setting the bar, right? Showing the people, like, I mean, showing people that the sky is the limit, right? And I feel like they've done that excellently, right? It's something that I mean, you can go back to you know, to their work, view their catalog, like Lamajitala Span. So I feel like it's something that deserves to be celebrated, right? And it's something that we are not really. I see, you know, there's a lot of excitement on social media, right? But I'm not sure about television, because I haven't watched television, like, in a long time. But I believe that it's something that should be celebrated. It's something that should be said, like, you know, it's something that we should look back. We should look back and point to as an example of what you know, one can achieve if they are dedicated and dedicated and focused in achieving their goals. So yeah, that's my chaotic thought.
Is that my camera? Maphorisa, Kabza, akina matso. Kopa tikiti.
Ole bala dap.
Kopa
Ole bala
tikiti.
dap. Ole bala dap.
Dap ya re batla di owner, Maphorisa.
Dap, go
Dap.
there.
Lex Dap.
Eh.
Oh, Maphorisa.
Dap.
Kabza. Lex Dap. Akina matso. Ke kopa tikiti.
Betsa magumba. Ama kama o betsa magumba.
Hayi, man.
Ama kama o
Hayi, wambekela.
betsa magumba. Magumba. Magumba.
But yeah, man, into eshoyo nje panja yeah, it's facts. I'm also happy for them ukuthi at least nathi la eMzansi we are like supporting one of us, because I mean, why mele iFNB Stadium sigcwale kuphela makuza umuntu ophuma ngaphandle yabo. And yeah, man, iScorpion Kings, they are doing a great job kulento abayenzayo.
Yeah, very good.
And by doing this, they are not only promoting themselves.
Bari inspire.
Yeah,
It's serving as
bengizofika lapho and
inspiration.
Inspiration
And they are
to
giving
us, yeah.
and you know, with social media, right, like with the way that everything is amplified on social media, they are actually giving us the, what's the term?
the platform.
Not the platform. They are actually giving us, I wouldn't say script, but they're actually giving us a memo of how one could make it, right? Everything you can see, especially like with Kabza's journey, right? Like you saw, with, you know what, you stay consistent early on in your career. Like if you want to venture into the music industry, like it's not always going to be about money. It's about consistency and always showing up, right? And having the passion to actually you know, continue, right? When it doesn't look hopeful. So the the memo, right, is already there, right? But it's another thing to apply. But Amachita, yes, like, you know, we've been saying they are serving as an inspiration, and they are showing us, good, you know what, if you do this and you move like this and you move with authenticity and honesty, then the world is your oyster.
And I mean, into ebengifuna ukuyisho ukuthi with doing this, they are putting like music as a whole, realize South Africa to the next level. They are not just upgrading like themselves. Maybe after this we'll see maybe Abo Benzo and other artists to level to where
You
maybe
can see
Utayla la khona manje.
You can see
level where Abo Black Coffee bakhona, it can happen. I think it starts where it's iqala kulezinto ezikanje. Yabo. Cause I think ilento le uNotha bekayisho ku Music Pulse ukuthi I South African music mele ifike kuleyo level ukuthi abo banama artist abaphezulu, abo Drake or abo Travis Scott or whoever laba abaphezulu bangathatheli ama African ama South African artist phansi, because I mean they are not a lot laba abalapha yabo.
Just a few.
Yeah, but
yeah,
man.
so guys.
But
so,
then again,
so
but
to
then
interrupt,
again,
guys,
Guys,
can Kalush,
do you think
Kalush.
something so it?
Kalush,
Skis.
Kalush, what's your chaotic thought?
Okay. Do you think something so it is gonna perform there?
I think he will. Because if
I don't
abantu
think- I
bayamfuna,
don't
no,
think so.
listen.
No, like
Number one, he's going to get paid. And I mean, you can go to stage, perform and go.
I mean,
But-
like,
but-
it's
but-
not
and-
about the cash.
no, like
It's not about the cash. Us as the
no,
fans.
no,
I think like
Did you see-
Kapsana
did you see show?
Mapurisa this thing out
Listen,
Batho tlametse ba konje, what's this called?
Lena ke lebetse the term, I forgot the term.
Ba vote. Now I'll use the word vote because I
Machita.
don't know that name specifically.
The correct
But
term,
the
yeah.
correct term, yeah. But it's like we guys should vote for, like we should tag about
Bafethu,
He's
something
not
so
on
way
the
to
Bafethu.
atle.
Bafethu. Okay, man, I'm gonna explain this as full as I can, right?
ground.
Music, just like every other industry, is a business, right? So when you are I think it was you, I'm not sure between the two of you, somebody said that it's not really about money.
He said
Yeah,
that.
It
was
is about
that.
money.
No.
It
Hear me
is.
out. It is about money. It is about money.
Nyokopadla.
Bafethu. That's why there's there's a level, even with the ticket sales, I'm a price of a fan, right? So people are paying for an experience, right? And these guys are going to prioritize the best experience for
The fans.
Nah,
for
it's
the-
about
for-
Kulisa
for the
by going
fans,
there.
right? So I would say that there's probably a 60% to a 70% chance that
That it will
something
show up.
Soweto does perform, right? Because I mean, sometimes it's about mending bridges, right? The perfect time to mend bridges. I feel like some agita sometimes, whether in any space, music, any industry, we might fight, right? Because maybe at that moment we don't see eye to eye. But if you know what nobody for Spuma fair, then eventually you're gonna want to mend bridges, right? Because at the end of the day,
They are all
about-
benefiting.
Yeah, you understand. It's not necessary that we are all benefiting, right? But it's about just like I feel like as our poor and our guys, they're getting older, they now understand which relationships, right, and the people, right, within their circles are very important, right? And holding grudges, it doesn't really
Doesn't
solve
really,
anything. So I feel like well, if they by any chance Abo Kabza and Abo Namaparisa end up watching this podcast, but chances
Hopefully,
are,
chances are
yeah, but
0.1%.
I feel like it's
but
a
yeah.
perfect opportunity to mend things, right? Because amachita abashayela ingoma bafethu,
Special
that track le Amalanga, that track I felt like that track, because I think there was a falling off before, and then that
Wasn't
track
it
was supposed to
during-
be it was supposed to be sort of like a way to mend things.
And
And
that
then
was
there
a hit.
yeah, and then something also happened. You know, I'm not quite fresh on what happened there. But one thing that I'm saying is that like I'm a Khotmane, Kabza,
Maphorisa.
Pori, you know, even now something so it's a great way to show you know, to show the whole of South Africa, which you know, at the end of the day, the music is always bigger than us. Yes, it's about the money, right? It's about you know, the success that comes with the fame. But at the end of the day, right, the music is bigger than everything else,
Yeah.
right? So at the end of the day, Tina, we just want music.
Yeah,
Like when
yeah.
it boils down to it, it's for the music, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Now my-
Did you
my-
say
my-
a chaotic thought?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
That was
Ah,
my chaotic
now,
thought.
my chaotic thought. Guess what it is? It's about
My
the one and
soul.
only my soul. Him.
Hey, that guy
My
is
soul
man,
Sheba.
bro.
Did you see like what my soul did like after like on his birthday?
That guy, you know what he
I
did?
saw-
220 million.
I saw a couple of clips, Buffet too.
He just
Yeah,
bought.
yeah,
He
yeah,
just-
yeah,
he just-
concerning
he just- he
clips.
just bought.
Well,
He just bought 220 million
Jepa.
house and a customized Rolls Royce, the one of one in the
Jepa,
world.
do you know
No.
like the way lo muntu lo anemali ngakhona ne? You know
Yeah.
what he did? Uze, I think it was 60,000 cash ne?
50.
50,000 cash, like cash uyabona nasi stacks semali. Then
shit.
uyahamba, he goes to the DJ and says, "Play this song.
Ah, shit.
If you play this song now, I'm giving you this 50k. Yeah, it's yours."
Oh.
Mind you, sekamphatalile imali yani
Yokubuka.
if unale ngoma le sticking
Ayikho.
ayifa ayikho ngiyayithatha imali
Yathatha
yakho.
imali yami. Uyifuna athi DJ bekele go. But then Buffett, now my soul, like I just hope like my soul like watch this video. Like nothing
And-
man like it's my
And
motivate.
and
I so wish
into engimthandayo ngaye ne, I've never heard stories
About
zokuthi izinto
him.
ayenzayo illegally or what. Yonke into yakhe is documented,
My soul,
has
like, I think-
documents and like yeah.
I think like it was last year. I showed you like today earlier on. Ne? Or like I think it was last year or 2 years back. But then I think like it's last year. He bought like 2 T1 Airlines
For his friends.
for his friends.
Yes.
That those who were there for him
Magaphansi.
when
When he was
he was down.
Yeah. Yo.
And like I think he 2025 model airline. Oh, that man, bro.
no, you see, Vele, it's about at the end of the day. I feel like it's also important to show generosity, like you know.
That man like
to-
inspire like that man inspire like black children. Like if ever you not like guys, if you not inspired by my soul as a black child, like
There's something wrong
there's
with
something
you.
wrong about you.
There's something
Shit,
wrong
son.
about me.
Yes. But
Not
yeah,
inspired by him. How come?
If ever see
Inspired
inspired by
by
my soul, we
Christ.
should take you to Mr.
Christ.
Moloto.
le ihlezi cabanga. Yabona le. But yeah, guys, masivalele episode funny.
Can I call my
issue.
best?
So
Can-
before I game, ngifuna nisitshele your celebrity crush
Can I say it first?
and your favorite artist and song.
Can I say it first?
Okay, you can start. Your celebrity crush.
My celebrity crush. Guess. 1, 2, 3.
Zinguma.
This is saying Buffett. Like honestly, and like my favorite artist like it comes as small. Pap Mota.
Papta.
Pap Mota.
And your favorite song?
My favorite song.
Yeah.
Impilo.
Impido by Kabza
Kabza the small.
and
And.
okay, and your celebrity crush?
I don't have a celebrity crush.
Okay. And
Your favorite artist?
Can I say
My
something?
favorite
After
artist.
this.
My favorite artist. Correct. Lepaka.
Yo.
Lotto. Favorite song, Lotto.
Lotto.
Of him, yeah, Lotto.
Berlin.
Or Future and Courage.
Oh, yeah. What did you want to say? You said.
No, I want to say my celebrity crush. It's my girlfriend. Your sister though.
Fuck you.
You know what? My
Your
celebrity crush. You know,
yeah.
I don't have a celebrity crush. I have women like, you know, that I admire, right? Like just like every guy. I mean, I admire, right? But I wouldn't say I have a celebrity crush because I feel like it sets an unrealistic standard, right? Like of somebody that you might potentially end up with, right? So like having admiration for somebody that you know you have no chance of being with, like, you know, when you think about it, I feel like it's I don't know, right?
You might
so
be
me, I don't
big and have a chance.
Yeah, but then again, like once you get to a certain level, right? You always want to have options, Bafit.
Okay, yeah.
Abo zinqumala Bafit nabo sayeni.
So what's your celebrity crush?
The person you admire,
they're not by all means, Bafit, they are not the most beautiful women.
Exactly.
There's a ton of
Eh?
Bafit. Langaphandle. Bagcwele
My home girls.
Have you seen Marcia? Have you seen when we go to Cosmopolitan? Bro, whenever I turn my neck, I see a soulmate. That's how pretty
Bitch.
people. Your daughter.
Oh, that's why like you broke your neck.
So basically,
But,
what
yeah.
I'm saying is that Bafit, you
Celebrity
I'm a
crush.
celebrity crush, man. I admire beauty, but
That's why I said umuntu wami usisika lo.
umuntu wakho.
Yangidelela lona.
Usisika lo umuntu wami. It's my celebrity crush. Untshware ya?
But yeah, so people you admire, Jepa.
People that I admire, musical
Beauty
wise.
wise.
Beauty wise, yeah, Zinqumula is one of them, man. You know,
Let's clap hands.
You know,
Let's clap hands.
I wanna shout out Zinqumula.
Shout out to Zinquma.
Yeah. And
I signed Bougie, no, not signed Bougie. Actually, man, you know, so, like I can't bring their names into thought, man. Like, but there's a lot of ladies that I admire. Like umuntu muhle, man. It's not only celebrities, you know, that I admire. Like umuntu muhle, you know. I have fitness on Instagram. I have fitness bonus. But
Botuli Pongolo.
not even like proper influence. I'm just talking like
A random person.
for sure.
yeah, random
Sure.
person. So I just admire like beauty, like momuhle. I want to, like, you know, you are well groomed. Yeah, then yeah, I admire that. But
And your favorite artist?
I mean,
You are your own favorite artist.
No. I do have, like, you know, people that I admire, like because I just listen to like different genres, right? Like I said, so
Black Coffee is one of them.
yeah, Black Coffee, but not musical wise, like DJ wise. Black Coffee,
Yeah.
definitely he set the
Oh,
bar.
yeah, sure.
Shimza, he set the bar, like also, you know, but music.
But then you can't leave Shimza when you say Black Coffee.
Yeah.
You can't leave Shimza when you say Black Coffee.
No, like I'm saying DJ wise,
Oh,
like
DJ wise.
setting the
Yeah,
bar.
DJ was.
Yeah,
That's what I'm
setting the
saying.
bar. Right, so it's Shimza and Black Coffee, obviously.
Yeah.
And then if I start mentioning like artists that I admire, like Abo
When
Gabana,
was the last question?
Huh?
Abobani?
Abo Gabana is a
Gabana channel, what?
Gabana
Oh.
is a deep house.
Yes, but
Agabana nyamkava deep
Let's
house.
not go
Yeah.
deep.
Mina
What was
mina
the-
mina mina ngithanda uyush masikela. Helele chileshe.
Yeah, you must man, like, you know, we have
Baby.
so Buffett, yeah, it's a baby more rock,
You-
yabo.
yeah, you
For
more
young inspiring mixtape, yeah, that he's on the
Guys,
mixtape.
Mina niyangimonela kahle njengoba ngingabuzwa kahle.
Wena okay, like what's your celebrity crush?
Mina yami celebrity crush ngifuna ukuyiqonda ngiyibheke. Yeah. And I type yami ene uyajoleka.
And kumele yazi ukuthi
And kumele yazi ukuthi ngiyamfuna.
and ukuthi unomntwana.
Vele nginomntwana. Yeah, but bheka. Dancing with
Umuntu
Busisiwe.
ubhekile i-podcast, and-
Eh? Umuntu amubekele podcast. Ngizoqolisa after.
Mtshela ukuthi uyamthanda.
It's only for the views, baby. I love you. Umuntu wami understand not just normal crush. It's normal. It's not like ngizomthola guys.
Nayo
Surely
une-celebrity
nayo
crush.
mfethu.
High five.
High two man, sharp.
I won.
I want sharp. But yeah man, dancing with Busisiwe. Girl. I mean ngiyakutshela mfana, you look sublime. Yabo.
Flabbergasted.
Yo, like you look fresh. Mangatholi chance nje. Angazi ugeza ngani mfana.
Ugeza ngo.
Yazi lo mntwana lo njalo like mangibuka screen, like mangiswitch, ngibuka screen. Ukuthi uyacula uyajive wenzani? I have to repeat the video thrice.
Even though
ngathi awukho satisfied.
Okay, ayanyazana.
even though nganazana uzombamba so athi.
Oh. But yeah guys, celebrity crush. My baby. Because someone made me feel guilty.
Oh yes.
But yeah, then my favorite artist man, music wise has to be Royal Music man. And in a stage whatever.
Royal Music.
Lo kushaya EP no uncle wafo.
Alahlele igqoko phansi akhumbula iskipa search.
And yeah, konje what was the last question?
Call your best. Can I call my bestie?
Okay, ask her any game then see
Can I call my bestie?
Who's willing to play a game?
Me.
Which guys, me.
Can I call my bestie?
My home girls don't answer my phone calls.
Oh, okay, call your bestie.
Can I
It's
call
okay.
my
I have a
bestie?
feature no. Let's sidlale.
Can I call my bestie?
Sidlaleni ne?
Sidlale.
Can I call my
Hayibo.
Can I call my bestie, dog? Can I call my bestie?
Niyasijikela bafethu.
I'm calling my
It's
bestie.
okay.
I just don't like what I call it.
Niyasijikela bafethu. Athujepa usho uyamthanda umuntu wakhe.
Jepa.
Nyamncane umuntu wami ka. Benyeke ngikhulume ngaye kanje njalo. Nyamncane
Athugeza
ka.
ngani?
Thing is sasebancane man. And mawubona into enhle maybe
Chomi.
admire. There's nothing wrong ngokunqoma into enhle.
Chomi.
Hello.
How are you, Chomi?
Yes.
Eh?
Wafuna nge WhatsApp.
Chomi.
Network isokolisa kanje.
Chomi.
Network isokolisa ke bona kanje.
Akufuna ka
Khana wethu.
call la shana.
Re tla reka airtime yaka.
Yeah, da. Kuba fa shelter teno. Hello, Chomi.
Okay, Chomi.
What's up, Chomi?
Yeah, Chomi.
Kupa 200 da Chomi ya kahle.
Okay, Chomi.
Ke batla go tlatsa ke reke shantu.
Yo. Sanwe hana child.
Hana
Hayi
yona.
lesajola nkanna.
Chomi, kupa 200 da shantu.
Ke tla bona ke tsela. Ma ke na child, ma ke tla bona ke tsela.
O shore bokae mo go go ntirela?
Ka mmelo ke na child, ma ke tla bona. Papa kompile child nyana, ma ke tla bona ke tsela.
Okay, o tla ntirela alo ke.
Hi, sharp.
I love you, my best friend, my girlfriend, my everything, my celebrity crush.
Batho.
Really?
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
What the fuck man?
You good, man?
Good man.
But yeah man, I see
Guys,
this was
the-
a dope episode. Thank you very much if you've reached to this
And
Can I
to
do
this what?
part.
Sitting in Slungu.
Can I
This part of the
can I end
video.
this episode?
Yeah, we'll end it. Let me just say something.
I'm Triple Z, Makado Wise. Triple Z is Tazaka Zamzonda Zimzondela Owini.
Shebe.
shit.
Bafethu, this was a dope episode. If you've reached to this part, please make sure you subscribe, like, comment. Into ithandayo nani. And yeah, thank you very much. Yes sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, fine.
It's okay.
Oh shit.
Tlapa matsoho.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, re tlapeng matsoho. Ke tlapa matsoho yang le original. A ke na matsoho mara ke tlapa matsoho. Fuck you, bro.
Yeah.